Welcome back to another video from Farmer Weight and Experience, and today I'll be making some sorrel drink and I'll be adding some Ribena berries to it. So you don't know anything going on Farmer Weight and Experience. So first thing you're going to do is I'm going to catch some water, lemon, see, do the sorrel and the Ribena also. So I'm going to catch some water first and thing and show you what I go on. Yeah, man. Alright, my water already. So I'm going to just sit on this stove like that. And then now have some ginger that I have already scraped. So I'm going to wash my ginger. Alright, so and guys, supermarket or market and you buy your ginger and so forth, you don't know you have to clean it up. So no, I'm going to give it a little wash and thing. Yeah, man. So you think set man. So I'm not going to wash it like this because any little of the ginger sting that on it, you don't want it at the moment. So I'm going to try to the sink like this. Yeah, man. Use me and yeah, wash it like this. Come on, yeah. Put him in a container here. We can go on drainer, yeah, and then I'm gonna add some bay leaf to it also, and some cinnamon leaves, but them here did wash and I put the one dry and thing. So I'm gonna use some of it now, so I'm gonna give it back a little rinse off and thing. I don't know if it's set up in it. Alright, okay. I'll just get you and watch what I want. The amount of ginger I'll be using. You can blend it as I said, you can grate it, or you can beat it up. But we get the right strength out of the ginger. You grate it or blend it. Start to boil up, I add in my sorrel and my Ribena berries. Alright? So yes, people, don't know, this is my sorrel and this is my Ribena berries. Right? Wash it also same way. You don't know? Yeah, man. So I'm gonna go check the pot. People them who not drink alcohol, you don't know the Christmas. Especially for the elderly people, them also who not drink alcohol. You know if you had no alcohol to your sorrel. How me do it? The bay leaf and the cinnamon, and it good that way. You know if you had no alcohol because it coming like a alcohol in it already with the bay leaf and so forth. And show now how me store and preserve my sorrel drink for all up to 5-6 years because I have a few bottle here right now for the past 7 years. And trust me, 3 days ago when I pull it, trust me man, it coming like it just prepared. So I'm gonna show you how I preserve my sorrel drink. Alright, so just stay tuned and watch what I go on from Farmer Weight and Experience. Don't know anything go. So, see it looking? Yeah man, it is about that time. So me turn him off for now and put him down. Make him go on cool down. Alright? I'm gonna show you how me preserve it. Yeah man. Don't know. Sorrel wine cool down You know, so I go strain it and show you what I go on, how me preserve it. Yeah man. So I go strain the man thing. Yeah. That's the first strain. Yeah man. Adding some sugar. Yeah man. I will give him another strain. And go. Yeah. Farmer weight and experience. And third strainer now. So this strainer will more finer than all of them, alright? Don't know anything though. Yeah man, this is my special strainer for juice. No matter how I strain my juice them, it's my special strainer. I catch everything. Yeah man, you can use all the straining bag if you want, you know. You see the authentic way me I go. That's why I use my little fine strainer. And the last, to catch everything. You don't know anything going on. Then I go throw him back out in my drinks jug and all. Yeah. You see hello? Yeah man, the real sorrel with the Ribena. Yeah man, so me I do it. You see what me I say? Don't know. Next method now. These are the rice. And this are my pimento berry. You see the amount of pimento berry? Yeah man, just a little. The rice is about roughly 1 teaspoon. So I go wash them and then now me show you what I go on. Thing, don't know anything go farmer weight and experience. So I go show you now me preserve my sorrel drink. Right? This one having the Ribena. These are the twists. Sorrel with Ribena. I go preserve it and show you how many years it can stay for. So this is my rum. Yeah. I'm going to use. Alright. I'm going to use this amount of rum. Alright. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to throw out some of the drink in this jar. Alright. Yeah man. Look like this amount to full the bottle. Alright. So me I go there now. I go add in pimento berries. You see it? Yeah man, wash and everything. So I go drop them in. Yeah man. And my rice, I wash it also, you know. Yeah man. But here. Alright. Good. Yeah man. Add my rum to me drink. Yeah. That is it. Not even have to taste it because I know the amount of sugar I put in it. And this amount of rum is good enough. Right? Yeah man. See the juice pretty? See it pretty? See what I go on, alright? Yeah. Alright. Whoa. What I estimate? I make sure the right amount. Yeah man, this I fi sip the cover on this. Yeah man. And we can even taste it and we can see what I want. Alright? Mighty people. I'm gonna tell you the truth. It's bad. Yes people, we don't know So you think go man, farmer wait and experience man. So you can't have this, you know. You can't have this store up to 6, 7 years and going, right? Because I have this bottle here from 2017. This is the pure sorrel. And same way I preserve it. With the rum in it and the rice, the pimento berry. 7 years. And I have 2 more bottles put aside. So those 2 bottles put aside, I drink them for the Christmas and the New Year. Yeah man, trust me. When I pull this one the other day, I tell you, it's strong like man. I tell you my peeps. So don't know how me do it, you know. Yeah man, so me do it. Tell you no. When you have it for so long man, I tell you, you take just a little sip like here, so trust me, you feel it in your head. Yeah man. So as I say no people don't know, you know. The sorrel drink is a special drink, you know, with the Ribena in it, that is the twist. So when we do, I don't make it too sweet. Yes, don't make it too sweet. So no feel free, you can try it man, trust me. If you can't get the Ribena fruit, and you can't get the cranberry fruit, you use it. Same way I tell you. Perfect. If you don't have the Ribena fruit, use the cranberry fruit. And I tell you, just comment and tell me when you try it. Or the drink have it taste. Yeah man, farmer get an experience with people. Big up on yourself, bless up on yourself. You don't know? Peace. I'm out.